Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the classic POANG armchair from IKEA. Just to let you know, each step is the same even if you have a different color frame or seat cushion. For this build, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. So the first step is to grab this piece and put it into this orientation. Just make sure the holes that I pointed to are facing up and this end is located here. Now grab these 4 pieces of wood and put them into this orientation. Just make sure the concave or curved inside for each piece is placed like this. Then connect each piece as shown. Also, make sure the piece with the Velcro is located here. Next, grab this piece and connect it as shown. Now grab 8 of the slightly smaller screws and secure them into these 8 holes. When you're done with the first 4, you can flip the back section to make the tightening process easier for you with the other 4 screws. Then flip it back to its original position. Also, grab the seat and grab 2 of the slightly longer screws. Now connect the seat to the back section and secure everything by tightening both screws like this. Next, put this armchair into this orientation and grab 2 of these pieces. Just make sure the concave or curved inside is facing up and slide each piece in as shown. Then grab the other 4 slightly longer screws, and using the Allen key, secure each screw into each hole like this. Next, grab this metal pin and put the armchair into this orientation. Then insert the pin into this hole. It doesn't matter which end the pin goes in, as they are both the same length. Then grab this piece and make sure it's in this orientation. The hole that I pointed to is where the other end of the metal pin will go in. Attach this piece as shown. Now grab the slightly shorter screw and 1 washer. Then place the washer in between and insert the screw into this hole. Then secure everything together using the Allen key. Next, grab one of these pieces, doesn't matter which one nut sleeve, and one of the longer screws. Then attach this piece like this and insert the nut sleeve into this hole. Now put the longest screw into this hole and tighten everything together using the Allen key and a flathead screwdriver. Then again, grab the other piece, 1 nut sleeve, and one of the longest screws. Then attach and secure this piece like this. Next, flip the armchair over and grab the metal pin and insert it into this hole. Now grab this piece, and again, make sure the metal pin goes into this hole like this. Then grab the slightly shorter screw and washer. Place the washer in between and the slightly shorter screw into this hole. Then secure everything together using the Allen key. Now grab the longest screw and one nut sleeve and secure everything together using the Allen key and the flathead screwdriver. And again, grab the longest screw and one nut sleeve and repeat the same step in this location of the armchair. Now place the armchair onto its feet and make sure all these 6 screws are tight. Then grab the seat cushion and attach it as shown using the strip of Velcro. So you now have a fully assembled POANG armchair from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.